Thank you so much. That was incredible. All right, for years we have ended almost every video on our YouTube channel with the consistent message: going vegan is not the most we can do, it's the least we can do. This means the very least we can do is stop paying for the use, exploitation, and murder of animals. But that's not where it ends. The next step is to advocate for those animals, educate others about the truth behind animal use and exploitation, and actively intervene in the violence towards animals. And for years we've heard the same consistent criticism: you guys are too extreme. It's not so black and white. There are grey areas. Imagine that. Living in a world where speaking up for defenseless, innocent victims is extreme. Can someone please explain to me exactly which part of throwing a day-old male chick into a macerator is a grey area? Exactly which part of shooting a mother in the head and slipping her throat open is a grey area? As the oppressor, it's very easy to create grey areas. But to the victim, it's clearly black and white. Either they're being exploited and slaughtered, or they're not. All of us here, our job is to continue to push the issue of animal rights into the public consciousness, force people to take a side, and eliminate the idea of grey areas. You're either supporting the enslavement, exploitation, and slaughter of animals, or you're not. And if this seems like an extreme concept, it's because what we do to animals has been normalized. It's not normal to mutilate, torture, and kill innocent baby animals, but it has been normalized. And so we're breaking down millenniums of conditioning. We're up against a wall of resistance that says this is how it's always been and always will be. But every time we choose plants over flesh, every time we speak up and educate others about all the ways in which we exploit animals, every time we liberate an individual, we are destroying the foundation of that archaic speciesist system that enslaves animals. And going up against this system of animal agriculture and animal exploitation may feel like a David versus Goliath task, but we must remember that we have the truth on our side, and ordinary people are doing extraordinary things. For example, Australian activist Chris Delforce just released his new film, Dominion. Yes, DominionMovement.com. We will rise together. It's an incredibly powerful film that will shock people to the core, and it will shape the foundation of the animal exploiting industry's empire. And make no mistake, animal exploiting industries are here watching and listening. So let us make our message very loud and clear. What they do to animals is not okay, and it will never be okay. The fact that we even need to gather tonight and march for animals is deplorable. We're supposed to be an evolved species, and yet some of us are still debating what's the most humane way to needlessly slit a sentient being's throat. And it's because the industry tells us they're just animals, and they've tried to strip these individuals of their identities. But remember that each victim of the exploitation industries is an individual with needs and desires, and we must help people recognize that and correct this injustice. When we march tonight, we march knowing that we are making history, And each step we took was made with intention, and it was a powerful step. Because each step we took represented us moving forward. The movement is moving forward to a kinder world where we, humans and non-human animals, can live together in peace. We march for animal liberation the same way we would want someone to march for our liberation. Every time people gather like this, we are revolutionizing how we coexist with our animal cousins on this planet. Every single one of us has a moral obligation to advocate for those enslaved and tortured individuals, to fight for them. And that is how we will create a vegan revolution.